You don't need a high budget or years construction just to build a dream house. Here is the design secret. UVO prefab A-frame house. Reinforced galvanized steel frame. Built for durability, stability, and all-weather performance. Walls and roof with high-performance thermal insulation. Fully customizable interiors and finishes. Upstairs, private, cozy living space. Tailored to your project and style. Energy efficient, comfortable all year round. Not just a tiny home, functional double-story design. Perfect for resorts, Airbnb, vacation cabins, glamping, studios, and villas. If you want to see the final look of this house, stay tuned.